Hey everyone, it's Alyssa, and I'm here today with a massive Altered State haul. Quick disclaimer, Altered State's like my all-time favorite store, and so I went a little ham, and then I'm also very, very thankful, and I used my own money for this. Anyways, let's get started. First, I'm going to unpack everything, and then I'm going to do a try-on haul at the end, so stay tuned. First off, I'm starting with jewelry because if you know me, I am a sucker for some cute jewelry. So first, I got this little stack, and it has like the blue beads in it, and I thought it was super cute. And then I'm going to LA soon, and so I started off with this necklace that I found, and I thought it was so cute and perfect for LA. It's not picking it up very well, but I just thought it was so cute and perfect for LA. And so I was like, ooh, I wonder if there's any other silver and gold pieces. So then I got these bracelets, and these remind me of my mom's David Yurman bracelets, and so I thought they were cute, and I got them. But my last piece of jewelry is this white bow necklace. I already have a bow necklace from Altered State, but it's not white, and it's different, okay? So it worked. Next up is this adorable floral puffer vest. It's so cute. It's not really in season, but I saw it, and my size sells out so fast, I was like, I can't let this go. Can't let it go. So I got it. Whenever I was there, the store was buy one, get one half off, and so it was like the whole boutique, the whole store, except for dresses and jewelry. And so I got these cute black jeans, and then a pair of regular jeans, and I like these ones because they're like a nice high-rise sit, and I don't have very many high-rise pants. On to the second bag. More. Okay, so now we're on to our shirts. Okay, I got this adorable little sleep top, and it was $4, I think. Yeah, it was $4 because it was in the clearance section, and I was like, I usually don't even go in the clearance section, but I saw it and I was like, it's made for me. So that was so awesome. I actually saw this online, and I thought it was so cute, and it has these little sheer flower sleeves. It's so adorable. It's so adorable. I love it so much, and it's just adorable, and it's like the perfect length to me. I found this in the store. It's this little crochet top. I like how fitted it is. You'll see in a second. But it's so cute, and I love the personality of it. I was a little hesitant whenever I first saw this on the shelf because I don't usually go for a cardigan look. But it's like a little fitted, but like not super fitted. It looks so cute, and I love it, and it looks very classy. And then lastly, I got this plain white top. It's not necessarily like the cutest top ever, but I just thought that it looked like a really good shape top. Very good basic top to wear under things. It's a really good solid top. Now the last part of the haul is the skirts and dresses. I have one dress. So first I got this. I didn't actually pick this out. I started a fitting room, and the lady just like added random things into the room, and this was one of the things, and I actually loved it so much, and I thought it was so cute. So this is a little skirt. I love it. And then I got this skirt. It's this little green one. Flowers. It has that ruche design. I think it's really cute. Very classy. I like the length on it. And then the whole reason I came to Altered State today, I got a piece of the paper stuff, but the whole reason I came to Altered State today was because I wanted to find this dress. It's so gorgeous, so romantic. It's the vibe. And then it has like the most adorable little ribbon sleeve shoulders. Yeah, well, let's get into the try-on haul now. So the first thing is this gorgeous dress. It's like an empire cut, I think it's called. And it's just so flowy, romantic. It's like the perfect photo shoot dress or date dress. I just feel like a little fairy, almost, if that makes any sense. I feel like a fairy. Like, I feel like I should be, like, frolicking in some meadow right now. And I love that. Next up are the jeans and this crochet top. I think it is so cute. I love, like, the flowiness. And this is so light. I could wear it in any season, really. It just works. And I love the jeans. Great length. I am 5'5", almost 5'6", and they aren't too long or too short because I have problems with jeans being way too short, and these are a 24, so they're good length, don't worry, but I think it's super cute. So this is just to show off the jacket. I wouldn't style it this way but it still looks super cute. I just love it. I think that the floral detailing is so gorgeous. I can't get enough of it. And then this outfit looks good too. It's just so cute. I love them. I am also a sucker for puffer vests though. I have always been obsessed with the puffer vest. Why can I not? Okay. I've always been obsessed with the puffer vest though. So, that has the cutest pink interior. So, and then the adjustable little strap. This is the next outfit. We have this white top, which perfect cut. It's nice and fitted. It tucks in the skirts nicely. I swear this isn't sponsored. I just love Altered State. But if you want to sponsor me, I'm open. And then there's this green skirt. It has the cutest little florals on it. But that's the outfit. Okay, next up we have the adorable ground skirt that was picked out by one of the workers, but it serves. There's no butt, but it's a great length, and it's nice and fitted. I love it. And it doesn't show any lines, you know? It's nice and thick. And then I'm so excited for this shirt. I love this shirt so much. It has like the corseting, and then the sleeves. A moment for the sleeves. They're like the cutest little flower design. I just think that this is so darling. I love it. I just wanted to quickly show off the little sleepy PJ shirt. It's so cute. Love it so much. Like, a moment for the shirt and the little buttons. I actually love buttons so much. Like, it's not okay. Okay, this is the final outfit. I have these adorable black jeans. I think they're the same style as the other ones. They're a great length again. Love that. And then I have the cute little cardigan. It has these little like cut out holes. And the bows. I love the bows. I'm obsessed. I just feel very classy. A little, I need to go get my morning coffee and study. You know what I mean? Just, that's how I'm feeling. I love it though. I love the feeling. But this is the Spin 360. Well, that's all for the video. I hope you'll have a blessed day. Bye!